Hey everyone! Struggling with debt can feel like carrying a weight around. But what if I told you that you could start your journey to being debt-free today? Yep, no need to wait for the perfect time. The time is now. In today's video, I'll walk you through the first steps to take charge of your financial future and begin your debt-free journey. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get clear on how much debt you actually have. I know, it sounds obvious, but avoiding the numbers is more common than you think. So take a deep breath, grab your credit card statements, student loans, and personal loan balances, and list everything out. Add it all up. Yes, it might feel overwhelming, but facing the reality of your debt is the first and most important step. You can't fix what you don't understand. Once you have a total, you'll have the clarity to move forward with purpose. Step 2. Create a budget. Understanding where your money goes each month is key. Track your income and all your expenses. Yes, even those $5 coffee runs. Look for areas to cut back. Can you reduce dining out? Pause a subscription or two? Your goal here is simple. Free up as much money as you can to throw at your debt. You don't have to be perfect, just intentional. Every little cutback adds up. Step 3. Choose your debt payoff strategy. With a clear picture of your debt and a working budget, it's time to choose how you're going to tackle your balances. Two strategies work best. Debt snowball. You pay off your smallest debts first. Each time you knock one out, you gain momentum and motivation. Debt avalanche. You target the debt with the highest interest rate first. This saves you the most money over time. There's no best strategy. It depends on what keeps you motivated. Choose the one that fits your mindset and stick with it. Consistency is everything. Step 4. Set up automatic payments and build a small emergency fund. Missed payments mean late fees and credit damage. Setting up automatic payments helps you stay on track without having to think about it. Also, try to save at least $500, $1,000 as an emergency cushion. Life happens, and having this small fund prevents you from falling deeper into debt when unexpected costs pop up. Step 5. Stay motivated. The journey won't be easy, but it's absolutely worth it. Celebrate small wins, like paying off a credit card or hitting your first $1,000 milestone. Remind yourself why you started. Whether it's peace of mind, buying a home, or just sleeping better at night, keep that goal front and center. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.